Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how to make a motivational poster. For this, first you have to take a transparent sheet and brush pens. Using water and brush, apply water all over the paper. Gently place the transparent sheet over the paper and press it very gently for getting the look. Now remove this sheet and do this method all over the paper. I had done this method and now you have to dry it. Now it is dried and we will write our motivational quote here. I am using a black brush pen here. You can also use a black marker. Our motivational poster is done and now you can stick on your wall to get motivation. Thank you for watching my video.